So now let's see how we can work around with scratch disk and titler settings inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So to do that, I'm going to go around under Edit right here, and then I'm going to go to Preferences, and over here you can see scratch disk is an option. So scratch disk is where all of the different sources of media are stored. So for example, if you capture audio from microphone, it gets stored over here in this particular folder, and then if you were to capture video, it gets stored over here. And similarly, video previews, audio previews, media cast, and everything right here, the encoding gets stored in different locations. So over here you can see that captured video is same as project, but you can select to my documents or custom location right here. So if I were to go to custom right here, let me just go around onto my drive right here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to select out temp location right here, just like this. So this is how I can go around and change out the location for captured video. Similarly, I can go around and change around the location for each of the content right here, so like you have you exactly know where they are actually saved. So I can go around and change that for all of these right here. Another option that you have there, another settings that you have is the titler. For example, right now it's AA. So let's just go around and make it TT right here, just like this, as the style slots right here, and press OK. And now if I were to go to, let's say for example, title right here. So let's just go around over here onto title. So let's just go around onto the title right here, add, not the add, but the effects right here, not over there, but let me just go around over here onto new item, onto title right here, just like this. So there's the title, and on the style you'll be able to see the TT effect right here. That is because that is how I actually set it up. So if I were to go around onto, let's say for example, onto titler right here, it's set to TT, as you can see. So if I were to go to a TA and press OK, then what happens is that TA will be the style set for it. So you can see that it is refreshing, and now it is generating the title accordingly right there. And that is how you can work around with the scratch disk and the title settings. That is the titler settings inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.